Hello guys, and welcome to the crib. In this video I'm going to show you how you can prevent hackers from spending your funds in Trust Wallet without your permission. Please learn from my mistake, because I had hackers spend my tokens without my permission, and I'm going to be showing you how you can prevent that from happening. So welcome back guys. As you can see, I'm here in Trust Wallet, and some days back I just got a notification that I transferred some amount of BUSD to a particular wallet, which I did not carry out in that transaction, and I was wondering why that happened, and that's how I just lost about 2000 BUSD. Let me show that to you so that you see what I'm talking about. So let me just check BUSD. As you can see, this is the information sent, 1686 BUSD. This was done like without my permission. Like I just got a notification that I made this transaction, which I didn't, and that got me wondering how that was even possible in the first place. And then I started researching, and then I found out that some addresses that I've used to claim airdrop, especially if you claim airdrop, you must watch this. Like some addresses that I've used to claim airdrop actually have permission or authorization to spend my tokens or to spend my funds without my permission. So I had to like learn how I could stop that. So in this video I'm basically going to be introducing a site for you that you're going to use to stop this, and it is legit. As you can see, let me show this to you, and it is even Trust Wallet certified. As you can see, how to quickly see and revoke the BSC addresses authorized to spend your tokens with Trust Wallet. So this is Trust Wallet certified, as you can see, and they show you step by step how you can go about that. So I'm just going to make a video here to show you how you can go about this with a real life example. So these are people giving their comments. Like, so guys, let me just go back to Trust Wallet so I can just carry that out. So don't be scared that it's maybe a fake website. It is actually Trust Wallet certified. So, and then what we want to do now is just open your D apps, and the what's it called now? The website is allowance beefy.finance. allowance.beefy.finance. Once you have it written there, you just open. And once you have it open like this, you want to change the network to smart chain. And once you change the network to smart chain, as you can see, we have it open. beefy.finance, join community, BSC allowance, find and revoke all the addresses that can spend your tokens. As you can see, I'm having two addresses here. So what this means is that these two addresses you are seeing, they have like authorization to spend my funds without even me giving any permission. So, and this is like, this has been unknown to me. Like I never knew something like this even existed until I had almost $2,000 on BUSD, as in sent out from my token without my permission. That's when I said, okay, let me research and see what's really happening. Then I came across this. So as you can see, I'm having these tokens. They have permission to spend my funds, and you can even check and see the source, so you know which of the token is actually doing that. So when you click on this token, it's going to take you to, it's going to open up a page that will show you the token that has that authorization, like some details about it. So as you can see, this is the contract address of that token. This is the balance in that token. God knows how many people they have like taken they have scammed of their funds, as you can see. And sometimes this token can be real tokens, like real tokens, but it's not just a good thing to have anybody gain control over your funds. That's really bad. So we're going to be stopping that. As you can see, this is like even a safe moon token, because I think some time back I bought some safe moon. I think that's when this happened. So let's go back. So guys, let's just go straight to revoking this. So there are two ways you can revoke these tokens. You can revoke manually, like one after the other. You can revoke the one after the other. You can just revoke all from here. So first I'm going to be revoking here. You just click on this revoke here, and then this confirm transaction is going to, and it's very cheap. This like just 8 penny. You approve. And once you approve that, the token will be revoked. As you can see, the token is that authorization has been revoked, so it's gone from here. It doesn't show again. Or you can just click on revoke all at the top here, revoke all, and then you see, and then you click on approve. As you can see, the token is gone. So this is something you can do like from time to time to check how safe your wallet is. From time to time, you can just check to see if there's any unauthorized spender, anyone who is allowed to spend your token without your permission. Sometimes when you buy tokens online from what's it called, from BSC, or you claim airdrops, some of these tokens or some of those addresses were designed to like gain authorization to spend your tokens without even your knowledge, and they never specify that. So this is just a good way to see that, okay, this token or this address having permission to make transaction with my funds without my knowledge, so you can just clear those things out. So guys, as you can see, that's how simple you can do this. So if you have multiple address, you can just check and see if those tokens are having permission to spend your funds. So guys, I thought I should share this knowledge with you, because I had like I've shown you, it's just very painful to work so hard for something and then somebody just clear your fund without your permission and you are left with nothing. Like almost $2,000 gone is something I could use to maybe get gears and other things, but unfortunately someone has done